Construction is one of the foundational pillars of HHHunt. We build what we own and what we sell. We're considered a leader in real estate development, building and management, and we work really hard to design and build homes for how people want to live. Whether that's in an apartment home, a new home, or a planned community. We often show what these places look like when they're finished, but a large part of the journey is how we get there. Across our diverse business areas, we have a really talented team of construction and project management professionals whose job it is to make sure these homes and communities are best in class.
I'm Paul Wetmore, Vice President of Properties Construction at HHHunt. I have the pleasure of leading our talented multifamily construction team as we work together to bring our apartment home communities to life. The creation of each apartment community is founded on the exacting measures of our team's research and assessing the market analysis, achievable zoning, and most importantly, the design demands of the people we serve. From there, our team's efforts to provide award-winning customer service and excellence in planning and execution take over to ensure we deliver a best-in-class experience and home to our customers, the residents of our communities. At HHHunt, we leverage the strengths and experience of our tightly knit team, and we also leverage the relationships we build with our experienced design partners, trade partners, and business partners in the local communities we serve. As we launch each of these new communities, our HHHunt operations team members help us inform the design of these resort-like apartment communities. During the life cycle of our developments, we continuously collaborate with our internal operations team and external partners to further refine the design and overcome the changing market conditions in today's build environments. We begin with the end in mind and continue to refine our process throughout the entire build period. The countless hours of pre-planning, weekly production meetings, and long hours and seasonal elements are well worth it, knowing that we are ultimately delivering apartments that our residents will be proud to call home.
Hi, I'm William Sutphin, Vice President of HHHunt Homes. Our business area encompasses the design, building, sales, and warranty of single-family homes, townhomes, and condominiums. To us, construction is more than just building a home. There are several aspects including finding lots, intentionally designing floor plans, and staying up to date with the latest trends in home building. We meet our suppliers to ensure that we're getting the best deals on construction material, savings that reflect in the sales price of the home. Our on-site construction managers are vital to our success. They oversee all the aspects of new home project from start to finish. They plan budgets, allocate resources, and supervise other workers. Our construction managers have extensive experience in working in various aspects of the industry. This helps them confidently oversee projects, in addition to ensuring the homes are built on time, on budget, and under strict building codes. Our construction team members are the conduit to our new homeowners. They meet with our homeowners regularly to give them construction updates on their new homes and answer any questions they may have. These dynamic individuals play a significant role in our customer satisfaction.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Rideout, Vice President of Real Estate Development and General Manager for HHHunt Communities. So many team members play essential roles in our success, starting with HHHunt's land acquisition and entitlement team, which locates, studies, and secures new land for our planned communities. Our internal design team studies the land, creates the best plan for each community, and finalizes the architectural design standards. Next, our development team works on the final design and site construction, which includes the building of roads, sidewalks, trails, home sites, amenities, and much, much more. During this time, we have many meetings with land planners, civil engineers, county officials, and architects to ensure the communities we are designing are the best. Though we don't build homes, we do build places. We are placemakers. Once we have begun planning and developing these communities, we sell lots to multiple home builders, including our favorite one, HHHunt Homes. Some of our communities are very large in scale and can take years to complete, and others are smaller, and we are in and out within a year or two. Our Director of Development and Project Managers play a vital role in the success of these communities as they ensure we are on time and on budget. They also liaise with our builders, homeowners, and county staff. Once our new homeowners move in, our internal HOA management team, Genesis Community Management, ensures that we provide our residents with everything they need to enjoy their new HHHunt community.
There really is a lot that happens behind the scenes at HHHunt. The intentionality of how we construct our homes and communities shows how dedicated we are to providing our homeowners and residents with places they are proud to call home. I've experienced the importance of these roles firsthand, working in maintenance and construction as a kid growing up and in my first professional years at HHHunt.
So, Buck, would you consider yourself a good carpenter?
No, you don't want me out here pounding nails. I love working outside, but we definitely have people building our products who are much better at construction than I am. We have a great team here at HHHunt.